Good morning, students. Today I'll teach you English subject. Okay. So last class we discussed a poem. Okay. Unit 3, a poem, and today we'll be studying story. Okay. So the story of the name is Lallu and Pillu. Okay. So before I begin the story, let me tell you the summary. Okay. This story is all about a hen and her two chicks. Okay, Lallu and Pillu. Lallu was red in color and he also loved red things. Okay, Pillu was yellow in color and he loved yellow things. One day, Lallu ate a red chili by mistake. His mouth started burning. Alright, so now let's listen and enjoy this story. Okay, there was a hen. Okay, hen means a cow. Okay, she had two chicks. Okay, and she had two chicks. So the name of the two chicks is Lallu and Pillu. Okay, chick means a baby of cow. Okay, and their name is Lallu and Pillu. One is red and one is yellow color. Okay, he loved red things. Who like red things? Lallu. Okay, and Pillu was yellow. Pillu, he loved yellow things. Okay, so one day Lallu saw something on a planet. Okay, Lallu saw something on a planet. What he saw? Let's see. It was red. He ate it off. Okay, he saw on a planet a rat. Okay, and he ate it off because he don't know what is that. Okay, so oh no, it was a red chili. Okay, so after he ate, oh no, he said it was a red chili. He came to know that it was a red chili. Okay, it was very hot, so he feels so spicy. Okay, it was so hot because we feel chili is so hot, right? And it was moreover red color. Okay, Lallu's mother started burning. Lalu's mouth started burning. He screamed. Okay, so Lalu's mouth started burning. It was burning and burning. So he saw his scream aloud. Okay, he was shouting loudly. Okay, and let's see here. Mother hen came running. When Lalu shouted, his mother came by running. Okay, so Pillu came too. When Pillu came along with his mother. Okay, so Pillu said, I will get something for you. What Pillu said? I will get something for you for Lallu. Okay, so Pillu bought a yellow laddu. Okay, what Pillu bought for his brother Lallu? He bought a yellow laddu. Okay, so that the burning must go away. Okay, and Lallu gloved up the laddu. Okay, and Lallu took some laddu so that it may give peaceful to his mouth. Okay, so his mouth stopped burning. So after eating laddu, his mouth stopped burning and it's feel little relaxed. Okay, so mother hen and Lallu kissed Pillu, and after later on what they did, they kissed to Lallu. Okay, his mother and Pillu. Okay, the story was written by Binita Krishna. Okay, so I hope you all understood. Okay, so now let's see new words. Okay, here it's given 5 words. Okay, that is chicks, hen, hot, plant, and yellow. Okay, chicks, CHICKS, chicks. Okay, that is a baby of cock. Hen, HEN, hen means a cock. Okay, hot, HOT, hot means a gurmi. Okay, and another one is plant. Here you can see the picture, right? In yellow is the name of color. Okay, so now let's see. Name the chick in the story. Who are the chick in the story? Lallu and Pillu are the chicks in the story. Okay, who like yellow things? Who like yellow things? Lallu like yellow things. Okay, what did Lalu eat one day? Okay, Lalu ate red chili one day. Okay, so now let's see. So students, can you see the picture over here? Here we can see different types of chick. Okay, first one is red, second one is yellow, third one is blue, and fourth one is black. So give names to this chick using the names of some other colors in your language. Okay, so here it's given Lalu, and second it was given Pillu. So Lalu is a red color and Pillu is a yellow color. Okay, so here you have to give color names in your own language. Okay, what do you call blue and what do you call black color? Okay, so this is a simple one. All right, so now let's see. Match the chick to the egg they have hatched from. One has been done for you. Here it has been done for you. Okay, track the letter on the egg. Here it's what it was given, A, E, I, O, U. So can you know what are the vowels? How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. Okay, that is A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so here the 5 chick has been given. So A, E, I, O, U. Here 5 chicks. Okay, so one has been done for you. You have to match the chick with the eggs. Okay, in the eggs also egg also it's written E, U, A, I, O. Okay, opposite. Okay, so one has been done for you. E is supposed to go with E, U will be going with E, A will be going with A, and I will be going with I, O will be going with O. So in this way you have to match the chick as well as the egg. Okay, so can you see the picture here? Dot dot. Yeah, so this dot you have to trace and color this flower. Okay, first one you can see red rose, blue bells, and yellow sunflower. So sunflower color will be yellow, and blue bells and red rose. So according to this you have to color the flowers. Okay, so I'll be sending in WhatsApp group what is necessary. Okay, so thank you.